Let's check in on that weather alert with meteorologist Alan Rose.
Okay, Bree, why are you doing this to me? Now I can't concentrate on the forecast. I think that banana ice cream sounds pretty awesome. Now, we do have a pretty big system moving into southern Colorado. Lots of uncertainty, I would say, for areas north of Highway 50. But down south, our southern counties, I think you're going to get clobbered. Some areas could see well more than a foot of snow from later this evening into Saturday morning. Snow for the Pikes Peak region and Pueblo likely during the evening commute tonight as snow starts to pick up this afternoon, continues into Saturday morning. Now, I did mention those southern areas potentially seeing a lot of snow, and they're under a winter storm warning starting at 5 o'clock. This will continue until 11 a.m. Saturday with winter weather advisories also hoisted for Baca County as well as parts of the San Luis Valley. I know the whole valley was lit up, but the National Weather Service says with the upslope flow, the western parts of the San Luis Valley could see quite a bit more snow than eastern areas, and gust with the incoming storm could be as strong as 40 miles an hour. So it's a fairly dynamic, broad-reaching trough of low pressure. We have a surface low moving over eastern Nebraska this morning. We have a cold front over northern Colorado, and we have that circulation center over Arizona. That's the incoming mid and upper level low, and that's really going to help to provide some extra lift and squeeze out a lot of snow here locally as you make our way towards this evening. All right, let's get you out the door this morning. 10 minutes till the top of the hour. We're at 31 in the Springs, 26 in Monument, 31 in Denver, 20 in Woodland Park, and 30 out east in Lamar. Temperatures today as a whole will be down around 15 to 20 degrees from what we saw yesterday. And I think in the Springs, we'll probably get some snow before Pueblo or Canyon City does. We could start to see some snow showers develop as you make our way towards mid to late afternoon. And that all comes behind the cold front. Notice the wind. It's going to be breezy out of the north once the front passes, and then more easterly. That's that beneficial upslope flow. Now, this model, this is the HER model. This is a really good high-res one I like to use for analysis. I think it might be a little too far south with the snow tonight. I would say that probably we'll see waves of snow even up through Denver during the overnight hours, but I like what I'm seeing around 7 a.m. that we're dry in the Springs, but still having that snow potential along and south of the Arkansas River Valley. That could continue in the southern counties through the afternoon, and then the storm eventually pulls away by Saturday night. So again, the big question mark is the Pikes Peak region due to the track of the low. Right now I have a trace to 3 in the Springs. There could be some higher amounts. There could be some areas that see that lower end, especially east of the interstate. Trace to 2 in Pueblo and Canyon City. But look at these super big amounts down south. 8 to 13 for Trinidad. 10 to 14 in Kuchar, and 8 to 14 possible out towards La Veta. Highs today will be cooler than what we saw yesterday, staying with those 40s on Saturday before rising to the 60s and 70s from Sunday into early next week. For Pueblo, we've got that rain changing to snow mix later tonight. Some snow likely Saturday morning here, 65 with sunshine Sunday and 73 on Monday. For Canyon City, rain and snow showers in your forecast this afternoon and evening with a flurry or two possible around daybreak Saturday. Sunshine in mid-60s follows on Sunday. For Woodland Park, the weekend looking pretty good after we'll see that snow this afternoon and evening. A flurry or two early Saturday with sunshine expected Saturday afternoon and on Sunday. Time now, 5.